Hey guys, you're back with me, Terry here on the AXO, and today, yes, we are going to take a look at this bad boy. This is the Leopold FC650MDS PD. Long name, but basically the DS stands for double space. And yeah, this is Leopold's 65% keyboard that also has the arrow cluster as well as a double space bar layout. The one we have is the blue-gray colorway, and the other version was a red and white navy blue kind of color, but the one we have is this one. The Leopold FC650 uses a 1.5mm PBT double shot keycap. It uses Cherry MX switches and key rollover. There's USB Type-C, which is great. Finally, they moved on from the micro USB and mini USB connections. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. And first off, you get the keyboard protected in this plastic. Then you get the keyboard itself. Already sounding really good. Apart from that, you also get the cable, which is USB Type-C, not braided, feels good quality. You also get a quick start guide as well as extra modifier keys for the control and caps lock, as well as a keycap puller. So this is the Leopold FC650MDS PD. You can see here there is the double space bar layout, the arrow clusters, which are a bit unorthodox because it's positioned lower than, like, right below the shift key, instead of the up key being where the FN key is and the keyboard having a more longer design. So on the top you have the LED indicators for the screen lock, num lock and caps lock. Around the back there is the USB Type-C port, which is considered an upgrade because Leopold has been using micro USB and mini USB for the longest time. On the bottom there's not much going on. There's 4 rubber feet to prevent the keyboard from moving around or slipping on your desk, and also there is the adjustment feet. So these risers also have their own rubber feet to add more grip. So this is a single height adjustment, and you can also see there's the dip switches here that changes the layout of the keyboard. One thing you'll find interesting is that the FN key, instead of being at the bottom where usually the right alt and right controls are, it is now at the right, which is where the right shift is. The functions are all side printed onto the keycaps itself. Like for example, the delete key is on the M key, so you press the FN and M key to press delete. So with the FN key being positioned in a somewhat new kind of layout, it actually makes sense because it's intuitive for my pinky to press the FN key while my right index key press the delete key, which is also the M key. Or in this case, there are also the N page up, page down, insert, home. Basically the entire layout is just placed on JKL, and the M as well as the comma and full stop keys. So it's the usual 6-key layout that you see from TKL boards. Of course, the function row like the F1 to F12 keys are on the number row from 1 to all the way to the equals key. And yeah, that's pretty much the Leopold FC650MDS PD. We are working on a review of this, so do stay tuned. But first, before we go, enjoy the sound test. So that is all from me for the Leopold FC650MDS PD mechanical keyboard. A 65 key, 65% double spacebar layout with full arrow clusters on the right side here, somewhat peculiar FN key, on the right side here as well. USB Type-C, definitely. And also sound absorbing pad, which is very generous of Leopold to already include that into the keyboard itself to give it a more thockier sounding typing profile. Running off the specs, PBT double shot keycaps with Cherry MX switches. The one we have is the Speed Silver, should be mentioned in the sound test earlier. And thank you for watching the video. That is the Leopold mechanical keyboard FC650MDS PD. Don't forget to give us a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Terry. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all the next time.